today we're at Sharky's and we're having lobster, conch and shrimp. And this is a continuation of my last vlog, which was me coming to Nassau for the first time, you know, having a feel of the place, tourist wise. In this vlog, it should be more local. My cousin should come pick me up in another 20-30 minutes, even though we're on a tight time schedule, to show me around Nassau. It should be awesome, because Nassau, I heard that Nassau is the place. It's you know, in comparison to Jamaica, it's a good comparison. So we're gonna see what I'm going in Nassau. Wait, sorry, you can teach me Nassau slang. It's a unique slang. Solely to Nassau.
Mother flip day.
What?
Mother flip day.
Mother flip day.
Mother flip day is an expression like say something happen like, buddy, he just get knocked down. When mother flip day, he get knocked down, dog.
Mother flip, he get knocked down, dog. Anyway, we're gonna have a mother flip day. Let's get it, T-Mash. Let's go. Here. So the food is here. And it's time to grub and get our evening started. So guys, I'm downtown, but I'm trying to catch a taxi to go to Pinewood, I believe, to meet my cousin, but it's tight in terms of timing. It's tight, but I'm trying to make it for you guys, to give you guys an awesome vlog, to show you guys Bahamas, but it's tight as hell. So on top of that, jeez. I don't know if that's a taxi, I don't know if anything's a taxi. I see a vehicle marked taxi not too long ago, but I don't know. Excuse me, you know where I get taxis? Taxis. In front of this building? Alright, then thank you very much. Alright, we get a little instruction right there. So we're gonna see what can go on. I can't look a taxi thing, brother, even though, as I must say, tight. Really sexy, man. Backside. Virgin, you know where I get a taxi? Taxi? Yeah. Can I get a taxi? Back on that side?
Go by the beach.
Go by the beach? Alright, yeah, alright, cool. Thank you, bro. Alright. Alright, brother. Yo, just know, you guys just know Nassau is very small. So even if there are things to show you guys, it's not that much, you know? Because this is an island by itself. New Providence. Alright, tired. Oh, see a taxi there. It's good. But we're gonna try a taxi, man. I don't have brother. Can we take taxi a yard, you know? But we just don't know if we take your brother, you know? Jeez. Oh, nobody's in this. I'm tired. I'm beat. The sun is crazy in Nassau, like, it's crazy. Yo, brother, when we get on taxi?
Huh?
Want to get on taxi?
Want to get a taxi?
Yeah.
Which one? You check the taxi right down here.
Yo, you know where is Pinewood? You know Pinewood there?
Pinewood?
Yeah.
The taxi is that right now.
Is they close?
They're closer. Yeah, you get a pass now, so they're at Pinewood. You get data on your phone?
No, I don't have data on my phone, but taxi man know where it is.
Yeah, either way.
Huh? $1 on me? Bro, I'm trying to find out how much the taxi charge.
I know, you can see him. Let's walk through.
Let's walk through. See what I'm going, you see me? Come here, yard man, you know?
Yeah. Taxi!
So guys, I got a cab and my camera there. Go. Alright. Let's get it. Alright, thank you. Yeah, brother.
So you already know?
Why free, brother? Hey, why free? Hey,
I look bad. You can't put me on the camera. Like 30 years, right?
Yeah.
You couldn't catch a dollar, boss. You
You don't know me, I go, brother. Jesus. This is Sonia. This is Sonia. I know nothing good. I know nothing good. On the beach, I can't even walk on the beach.
Yeah.
I can't walk on the beach. Why else happen? Yo, I see on the soldiers, no, on the police, I see them with tattoos.
Yeah, they can have tattoos. They can have whatever they want.
Yeah. And things that go on a yard, brother. I don't know no else in our world that goes like tattoo, visible tattoo. Yo, nobody try too fast to be in there, brother.
They're not for friends. So we don't want to go now.
Listen, we have 30 minutes to go for the boat. Do the maths.
I know, but
you have to time. You have to just maths out the road.
we kind of said Nassau small and all. But...
Yo, it might take 20 minutes to reach up a while ago.
Why though? Was it like traffic?
Not really. Just a stoplight. That's crazy. But up here, I'm not like,
Okay.
I'm not want to be biased or anything like that. But yard better. That's a yard better. Like yard prettier. And also.
Oh, idiot! Who's stopping on the wrong way?
She's on field. Yeah. What do you think?
What?
Like Jamaica look better, brother.
Not the roads though. Like.
Yeah, it road up here better, but yard.
And it's I don't know what to say because I don't know if because we live here a little longish.
You just get used to the place and comfortable. But man, boy, the place smart. We have nicer cars. We have
because like I think you can't have like the 2000. I don't remember what they just say. With
it can't be new.
No. Woo! In order to bring cars, you have to say something about 2008 or something. I don't know.
What the hell? That's crazy. We can't bring in a car like older than like 5 years, I believe, or 8 or something like that. That's crazy. Cause my favorite truck is a 2008 vehicle.
What is that?
It's a Mitsubishi L200 like.
Oh, I should have took you that way.
Jeez. Anyways, just take the shot the road, cause me no want me here pump on this boat and leave.
If it leaves you, what happens?
Where duck get?
What you mean?
Where the duck get? Tell me what the duck get. Where the duck get?
No, but like, what really happened? Like
me probably have to go find my way back to Florida.
Dang.
For real, good.
So
and that's like $80 or
so
$100.
To fly to Florida from Nassau is not cheap because it's like 40-something minutes. Because Florida ain't far from Nassau.
But we need to make it back on my cruise because
because where y'all going after this?
Just straight back to Florida, Miami.
Oh. So your cruise, this was the last stop then, basically.
This is the only stop.
This is the only stop.
Only stop. Like it's kind of the lamest cruise when we come to find out.
So why they give y'all only them couple hours then? They should have give y'all
yo. We spent the entire day at sea yesterday. It was crazy. I never like it. Like you know to reach downtown from here to the port.
Yeah, I don't know where the port. You know where it is, but
yeah, we can see the ship. Yo, it just a schedule, man. I think tight, brother. Oh, more one Bahamas. Yo, me not do no shopping.
Because it's Sunday in the Bahamas. Nowhere is open on a Sunday.
Crazy, yo. Yeah, worst day we come at the time.
Oh, you wanna try Kung salad?
Brother, me I forgot on the ship right now, brother.
The Kung salad right there.
We can't spend it. What time is it?
It's just 4:04.
And the ship will leave 4:30. Me not take no risk.
You not scary, mate.
Not take no risk. But that's the one come through and kind of like see the place, you know?
Yeah,
and show the vlog.
Like, they only showed y'all like the
some tourist place. Like we go to a winery and taste wine and some other foolishness, brother. Man, I say, yo, want the real thing, want to see a place. Look, I Vanda up here, don't I? Here's a Vanda.
No, I think he's in Freeport.
Boy, on different island, right?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Okay. I don't really know nowhere. I wanted my neighbor to come because he know the place more, but I don't like asking people for nothing.
Okay, for real.
Okay, so that's basically like Super Value, food store. shit.
So,
That's where you was gonna get the kung salad from. But you said you scared.
I'm not scared. That's the time, brother. I think just tight, you know, you. Because my time, it does the time. Yeah, it's if a boat never did that.
Like, why you never?
But up on the beach whole day, me a jet ski, all sorts of something.
Oh.
Man, they want to charge me $180 for jet ski.
Because they know y'all ain't from here.
Yo, I'm telling man, say yo, me a yard man.
That's why. Why you gonna say something like that?
I say yo, me a yard man, brother. Yo, give me a yard man discount. Man say yo, give me 120. I say, jeez.
120.
Still steep, brother.
God. So when you go to Atlantis, where all y'all been? Y'all got a day pass or something?
No.
So you never see the aquarium then?
No.
Oh damn.
Probably another time. I probably come back, but me no know. The thing just not shot, brother. You know what I mean? The thing just not.
Club of Atlantis.
Girl.
Like y'all.
No, my mom deny.
Why bringing up on a Sunday though? Like nowhere's open on a Sunday.
No, more if me go club, more the one club in a place.
You wanna they come Saturday? Yeah, that done.
Like Margaritaville or something like that. I'm when someone was shot, brother. Girl them bad and be a big body and thing, and you know what I mean?
Be a big body.
Be a big body. Be a big body.
Yeah, Bahamas girl body big for you.
Be a big. That card I saw like I said for $4,900 US currency that.
Yeah, we use US. You don't see that?
I saw that cheap, brother.
Yeah, cars mad cheap over here. You could get a car. Like you could get one of them cars for like
$2,000, brother. How would they buy?
Yeah, cars mad cheap.
$6,000, brother.
That's why everybody be driving.
Yo, come on here to get that fee at least $20,000.
Maybe go close to downtown, right?
What like is the sickest place in the Bahamas besides from Atlantis?
Bahamas.
Bahamas, what's that?
Bahamas is another big hotel. Chinese built it up.
Oh.
Even down.
Alright, besides from like hotel, where like you spot them where yo you follow the Bahamas, brother, come here, you have to come here.
See, I don't go out, but like
when you're here, which spot I spot them when you're here, like yo, you follow the Bahamas,
downtown mostly.
Downtown.
Yeah, downtown. Bacardi, that's all the way up that way. Up at the airport, please. Go on.
La Festa.
Downtown. I don't go out.
Yo, everybody do her slamming.
Yo, because you know much. No, on a real. Fuck, I didn't see that. On a real though, like Bahamas of
accident
the most. Yeah.
Up there.
Like crime rate high in Jamaica, but the accident rate high over here. Like seriously.
Yeah, you know, so before we come here, so like them give out a warning, I say the fish place, wherever the fish place is, that we're not for good here.
Why?
I don't know, like some violence or some shit.
Oh, under the dock?
I don't know. That's fish place though.
Yeah, I know what you mean. It's under the dock, like it's violent because a bunch of
kill it then
that, and some drunken people too. So like
shit. Like,
if you realize in Bahamas, like everywhere you turn there's a bar. Them drink crazy over here, and I think that's why so much accident always the boat. Oh. Because they always a drink and a drive. And that's why the police them start speak out on it. Like if you have a open alcohol in the car, you get locked up.
Shit, bro. Man, there's a weed not even legalized out there.
No.
Bro. Shit.
Weed, they get catch with weed was sorry for you. Oh, I was supposed to go there.
Weed there?
Could I stop by if make you some friend, but them live the other way though.
She's so big, you know, if meet some people, but no, it's too tight.
I don't know why you never decide to come take it taxi from long time.
No.
Yeah.
We live on the beach the whole time with my mother, and I just threw her away. So it two of them parts, she and her friend. So when them gone out in the water, I feel like watch the things, you know. So I couldn't get for move, bro. Cause I didn't really want to move, cause I said I want to know the place, you know. Meet everybody, but John no star. Yo, it nice being in another island, you know. It's just different, and everybody it's different from Jamaica though, because you know we speak different, we even look different, to be honest.
Yeah.
Like Jamaicans and Bahamians look different. See some man on the beach. Ooh, I wonder where everybody go for that. Alright, thanks. Here, hug. Later.
Yeah. Or go because it's illegal. Let me know when you're ready.
Yeah, man. One thing. One day we can just cross, brother. Getting late. Alright, people. We have like a couple seconds to make for the boat. Yeah, go run. Yo, hold on. Hold on. Please let me see me make it. This boat not gonna leave off. Exactly. 4:30, you know, but you don't know, not take the chance. Not take the chance. Even though we already take a chance, cause I have like 2 minutes. I don't know where to walk now. Oh, I'm gonna find something. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna run too, man. But anyways, Team Ismash, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed part 2. So my little trip to Nassau, Bahamas. It was amazing, guys. Nassau, thanks for having me here, you guys. It's crazy. So yeah, until we meet again, Nassau. It's the Sean, aka Ismash. Love you guys. Team Ismash, thanks for watching this vlog. I'm out.
Yo, we work hard for it somewhere in our life, and people we still try kill up.